Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about diets of the year, the carnivore diet. If you've been curious about what it is, how it works, and whether it's the right fit for you, stick around. We've got all the meaty and juicy details. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is exactly what it sounds like. A diet where you eat only animal products. This means your meals are filled with meats, fish, eggs, and some dairy. No veggies, no fruits, no grains. It's an extreme elimination diet that has gained a lot of attention recently. Always consult with your healthcare professional before starting or modifying any diet, especially one as restrictive as the carnivore diet. Listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel throughout each stage and make adjustments as needed. Let's start with what you can eat on this diet. Here are the staples grouped into categories: beef, pork, lamb, and poultry. Fish and seafood like prawns, mussels, shrimp, and other shellfish. Eggs and dairy products like cheese and butter, if tolerated. How does the carnivore diet actually work? It drastically reduces your carbohydrate intake, which means your body shifts from using carbs for energy to using fats. This state is called ketosis. You might be familiar with it if you've heard of the ketogenic diet. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for fuel. There are typically 4 stages that allow the body to adapt gradually to the new way of eating, potentially reducing side effects and increasing the chances of long-term success. Stage 1, transition phase, normally with a duration rate of 1 to 2 weeks. The objective is to gradually reduce carbohydrate intake and increase animal-based foods. Start by cutting out sources of carbohydrates like bread, pasta, and sugar. Increase your intake of animal products such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. You can include low-carb vegetables if desired, but start to reduce their quantity. Stage 2, adaptation phase, normally with a duration rate of 3 to 4 weeks. The objective is to fully transition to a carnivore diet while allowing the body to adapt to ketosis. Eliminate all plant-based foods focusing solely on animal products. Include organ meats for added nutrients. Drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to avoid symptoms of the keto flu, such as headaches, fatigue, and irritability. Stage 3, maintenance phase, normally up to 3 months or more. The objective is to maintain the carnivore diet, monitor health markers, and assess personal well-being. Stick to a strict animal-based diet and pay close attention to how your body feels and any changes in health markers like weight, energy levels, and digestion. Adjust food choices based on how your body responds, ensuring you get a variety of nutrients from different animal sources, including organ meats. Stage 4, personalization phase, normally after 3 months. The objective is to customize your diet based on individual needs and health goals. Some individuals may reintroduce certain low-carb vegetables or fruits to see how your body reacts. Decide if you want to continue a strict carnivore approach or a more flexible version that includes a few plant-based foods. Effects on weight loss. Many followers of the carnivore diet report rapid weight loss. This is because you're eliminating carbs, which reduces water retention, and you're likely eating fewer calories because protein and fat are very satiating. However, it's important to remember that while initial weight loss can be fast, it might plateau over time as your body adjusts. Potential benefits. There are several potential benefits to the carnivore diet beyond weight loss. Those include improved mental clarity, sharpness, focus, and concentration. Reduced inflammation and joint pain. Stabilized blood sugar levels can be great for people with diabetes. Some people also find that their digestion improves, especially if they are sensitive to plant-based foods. Potential drawbacks and long-term health effects. There are some potential drawbacks and concerns, especially regarding long-term health. First up is nutrient deficiencies. By excluding plant-based foods, you might miss out on essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, magnesium, and fiber. Digestive issues. The lack of dietary fiber can lead to constipation and other digestive problems over time. Cholesterol levels. Consuming high amounts of saturated fats could raise your LDL cholesterol, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Experts also warn about the potential for increased risk of certain cancers due to high red meat consumption, though this is still a topic of ongoing research. How long should you stay on this diet? This varies from person to person. Some people use it as a short-term reset, staying on it for a few weeks to a few months. Others choose to follow it longer. However, it's crucial to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes, both short and long-term. Is it for you? It can be effective for certain individuals, particularly those with specific health conditions or those looking for a reset. However, it's not for everyone, and the long-term effects are still not well understood. If you're considering this diet, weigh the pros and cons, and think about your own health needs and goals. And always remember, consult with your healthcare provider, and balance and moderation are key. If you found the information in this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Equals Wellness for more health and diet tips.